Today's video is being done in collaboration with others for the Claire's Crafty Corner Valentine's Day collaboration. I'm going to link the collaboration playlist down below and make sure you check out all the other artists on there too. Thanks for watching, everybody. I basically just want to stain this to have that dark wood look. I'm gonna seal it with some Mod Podge because I will be putting resin in here, and I just want to make sure that's not going to leak out. I am just going to go around the front surface of this to put a little brown paint on there. This was an overpour from a vase I was just making, and I just thought it looked so beautiful. I know it doesn't look like a moon, it looks like Mars to me, but I'm going to put it up in the corner there. But for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and paint the bottom portion of this. Bigger rocks at the bottom here. Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around and stays. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around and stays. Can't wait for the long day. It was your sweet, sweet smile that drew me in, and I rarely used to let anyone in. It was your smooth, smooth voice that invited me in, and that's where our story really begins, really begins, really begins. I want to fill up some space over here, but I don't want to go too low. About here would probably be good. Finish the menu. Drew me in. Just gonna go here. And I really used to let. I'm gonna try and get it straight. Anyone was your smooth, smooth voice that invited me in. And that's where our story really begins. Really begins. Really begins.
Perfect. Just going to put a hook on the back of this and we will be done. So I want him to be able to hang this up. Okay, to try and make this stand out a little more, I have done one smaller than the other with the couple, and then I attached them in my Cricut. So let's see if this shows up a little better. Let me go ahead and do the outer part first. And then an inner, so I'm just trying to make it look more like a shadow, just to stand out, because the background's so dark, it's hard to even see that there's people there. So let's see if that's a little better. I put it over. I think that's good. Now just varnish it on there. And that made a huge difference. Look at that. Wow. Yay, I'm so happy. Okay, here is the completed piece hanging on the wall, and I think it came out great. I hope you do too, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video and want to see more like it, please like and subscribe down below. Have a wonderful day, everybody.